Hey, right now we're actually preparing for our first ever Ecom Mastery 3-day workshop right here in Hong Kong. And as you can see, some of our team members are here. They're actually busy preparing for our event. There's Claudia over here. Hey, Claudia, say hi. And there's Adeline. Wait, okay, Adeline, hello. Yep. And so we have quite a few people. We actually flown in right here to Hong Kong to help us prepare for this event. So a lot of times people look at all these glamorous events and workshops, successful workshops, and they think to themselves, wow, it's so cool, it's so easy to actually run these successful workshops. But the truth is, every single workshop that we run, there's a lot of different details that needs to go into preparation. And the fact is, a lot of times in life, it's all these small little details that truly make a difference. Okay, so let me just introduce you to some of our other team members. Over here you can see John. Hey John, say hi.
Hi.
And there's Max, my fellow co-trainer.
Hello.
And we have Jit.
Hi.
Hey Jit, alright. Yeah, so the main thing to understand is a lot of times in life, in business, it's all these small little details that truly make a difference. And even just by improving some of these small little things, it can truly create a big ripple effect in your business. Alright, so right now we're just so excited. We have a lot of people who have registered for our first ever Ecom Mastery workshop. So regardless of where you're watching this video, be sure to check out our next Ecom Mastery workshop if you wish to learn how to start and grow and scale a profitable e-commerce business. Alright, I'll see you soon.